Here is another homemade anti-aging face mask to get younger looking skin. First of all, we are going to add some sweet rice flour. If you checked out many anti-aging home remedies, you surely have seen that white rice flour is one of the most effective natural ingredients to make a homemade face mask for wrinkles. B vitamins present in rice powder helps in collagen production. Secondly, we are using raw turmeric. You can also add turmeric powder. The curcumin present in turmeric has strong antioxidant properties which inhibits free radicals production, which also helps stimulate new cell growth. So, naturally and organically, this will reduce wrinkles within applying some days. You will see youthful glow to skin. This natural remedy will diminish wrinkles and gives young looking skin at home. So, it is a great natural ways to tighten loose skin. Vitamin B also helps in the production of the new cells. If you wish to get rid of wrinkles on face, then this type of natural anti-aging remedies will help you the most with time. Where the lactic acids present in milk powder will fulfill the dream of radiant skin. We all know vitamin A to skin may reduce wrinkles. From our own experience about natural home remedies, we came to know it really smooth out fine lines and face wrinkles around mouth when applied routinely. An anti-aging skincare routine with this face mask will surely help for wrinkles and sagging skin. It is also true that there are many DIY anti-aging face masks available in our channel which are really helpful to tighten sagging skin. You can check them as well. Always follow the natural remedies for wrinkles and sagging skin.